Rearrange the following into the form ax plus by plus c is 0, where a, b and c are integers. The first one's fairly straightforward. Just as a pointer here, I usually try to make a positive whenever I can. So I would tend to add 5x to both sides of this, because I've got minus 5 in front of the x at the moment. And then I would also take away 12. And if I do that, that means both things on this side are going to be on the same side as the y. And we would have 5x plus the y, which remember hasn't moved, take away 12 is equal to 0. But it would be perfectly acceptable to have negative 5x take away y plus 12 equals 0. It's just that I really like this one in particular because it's at the front to be positive. For the next one, the first thing we need to do is deal with this half. If we multiply everything by 2, then we'll have all integer coefficients. So we'll have 2y. Doubling the half x would give us x, but don't forget we have to multiply this 5 as well, so we'll have minus 10. And then probably the best thing here is to get the y onto this side, which we can do by subtracting 2y. And then we'll have x minus 2y, take away 10 equals 0. But note, negative x plus 2y plus 10 equals 0 would be equally acceptable. We want to rearrange the following into the form y equals mx plus c. So the first one's fairly straightforward. We just need to get the 3x and the negative 7 onto the other side. So we can do that by subtracting 3x from both sides and adding 7 to both sides. If we do that, on the left we would just have y left, and on the other side we'll have negative 3x and plus 7. This one's a tiny bit more difficult. Let's start off by moving the 2y to the other side. So basically we'd be adding 2y to both sides of this equation. So I'll then have 2y is equal to 7x plus 14. Now it has to be y equals, so what we're going to do next is divide both sides by 2. So y is going to be 7 over 2x plus 7. Now s is ab plus ac. Find s if a is 3, b is 4, and c is negative 2. So that's going to be 3 times 4 plus 3 times negative 2. That's going to be 12, take away 6, which is 6. Find a if s is 15, b is 6, and c is negative 1. So substitute the 15 in for s. We don't know what a is, that's what we're trying to find. But here we would have a times 6, which we can write as 6a. And here we would have a times negative 1, so we can write that as negative a. So 15 is 5a. Divide both sides by 5, and we get that a is equal to 3.